I will post that. And thank you guys to see our new products. I'm going to introduce the products to you. Our company's products include necklace and the bamboo and the earring, ring and the raw material and so on. But today I'm just going to introduce the necklace to you. And the milestone includes turquoise, white shell, pink shell, and the coarse and spiny oyster and so on. And our companies have more than 12 years experience on 12 years experience on and if you are interested in our products, please feel free to communicate with us. And we are so grateful to answer your question. Okay, good morning everyone. Hope you all have a good day and I think hopefully all of you or our friends in the live broadcast will be satisfied with our products. Okay, the first one I want to show you is a really pretty necklace. Okay, please, one more. Okay, fine. Okay, it's this one. It's combined with it. You can see it combined with the peel, the white peel, and it is rounded about 6 mm. But here I also have some turquoise rounded piece, and it is about 6 mm. And this necklace, it is about 16 inches long. And I think it is flower girl style, and it's very beautiful. And I wanted to wear it to show you how this necklace, how it is beautiful. Okay, you can find it. And I think it is really suitable for girl, suitable for women. And you can wear it on any stage. And this necklace is really beautiful and suitable as a gift to your wife or to your girlfriend. Also, you can buy as a birthday gift, anniversary gift, or a festival gift. Okay, I also wanted to show you the detail. And you can find the peel, and you can find the peel. And the turquoise beads are all in high quality, and it is shining bright, and it is beautiful. And I think you will be satisfied with it. Okay, and this one, and the next one, I want to show you this necklace. You can find this combined with the turquoise beads and the spiny oyster. Orange color spiny oyster and the green or blue color turquoise beads. And the spiny oyster are the two shapes and round about 6 mm. And here are the free shape turquoise beads as straw pendant. And they are chalky and free shape. And they are high quality, also are natural and real. And all of the gemstone beads are natural and real. And if you are interested in it, please communicate with our customer service agent. Hey, welcome. Or if you have anything you favorite, and you can comment in the live broadcast below. Okay, now I'm ready to show you how this necklace is beautiful. Okay. And I think it is suitable for a journey. And because here are the turquoise bamboo beads. Okay, I'll show you the detail. Okay, and the next one I want to show you is this necklace. And you can find the white shell beads with the pink shell, and they are all tube shaped. It is really beautiful necklace, I think. And this necklace, it is also about 16 inches long. And the pink shell and the white shells are all about 6 millimeter roundel piece. Okay, and here the flower shape, the rose shape, pink shell piece. And I think it is, if you wear it, it can show your fashion style. And it is flower girl style. I'm ready to show you. Okay, and you can find this necklace is very beautiful. And I think it is suitable for a man or woman. And you can wear it on any stage. You can buy it as a gift to your husband or to your wife or to your girlfriend or boyfriend. Or you can buy it as a birthday gift or festival gift, a graduation gift and an anniversary gift. And it's really suitable. And our company has more than 12 years experience in export trade and familiar with local customs rules and regulations. And we also have close relationship with the local customer. Okay, welcome Maria to our live broadcast. And if you have any favorite products, you can comment in the live broadcast below. Also, you can communicate with our customer service agent. And we are so grateful to answer your question and introduce our products to you. Okay, the next one I want to show you this necklace. You can find it combined with the red spiny oyster shell base, and it's rounded about 6 millimeter. And you can find there are some different shape turquoise beads, and here are the two shape. It looks tiny. They're about 4 millimeter. Also, here are the green or blue color rounded turquoise beads, and they are also about 6 millimeter. This necklace is about 16 inches long. And I wanted to show you how this really beautiful and suitable for a man or woman. I'll show you the details. And you can find the gemstone beads are all in high quality. And it's shining bright, and the color is really pretty. And our company has its own turquoise lines, and we specialize in the production of turquoise and off-gem fields and silver gem jewelry. And we hope to get more cooperation in the world market. And we hope to establish business relationship with you and your team. Okay, I'll show you. And it is also suitable for a man or woman. And if you wear it, I think it can show your fashion style. And this necklace, I think it is old style. Okay. And the next one, I want to show you this necklace. It's combined with the orange color spiny oyster shell base, and they are deep orange color. And here are two shell bees, and also they are in different size. And you can find here the larger size, and it's about 6 millimeter. And it's smaller and smaller. And you can find in the center here are 4 bumblebees, and it's rounded about 6 millimeter. And all of the gemstone beads are natural and real, and they are all in high quality. And this gemstone jewelry, I think, is suitable for women and men. Welcome you. Okay. And this necklace, it is also about 16 inches long. And I wanted to show you the necklace. And you can find the gemstone beads are all shining bright and polished excellently. Also, if you have any favorite products, you can communicate with us. And if you wanted to know more about our company or our products, you can click our auction website. And you also you can follow our Ali show. Also, you can pay attention to our live broadcast. We have 2 live streaming every working days. Okay, welcome. And how you are in our live broadcast, you have a good days. And I believe our friends in the live stream will be satisfied with our products. Okay, and this one. And the next one is also the gemstone necklace, gemstone jewelry. And you can see this necklace. And it's combined with just 2 types of gemstone. It is the turquoise piece and the two-sham spiny oyster, also deep orange color. Welcome you enter our live broadcast. And you can find the turquoise beads are in a few free shape, and they are chalky turquoise beads, the pimple turquoise beads. And here are the two sham turquoise beads around about 6 millimeter. Okay. And the spiny of the shell beads are two sham around about 5 millimeter, 4 to 5 millimeter. Okay, and this necklace, although it looks simple, but if you wear it, it is really suitable for you. You can wear it on any stage. You wear it when you go for a holiday, or you can spend the journey. Also, you can wear it if you climb the mountain. And our companies have been working with the UPS and DHL and other international logistics companies to have fast delivery data. And we have various paper such as PayPal, TT, and so. And our products are always competitive in price and excellent in quality. And we always provide our customers nice service. And I think you don't worry about that. Okay, and that's the next one. Is this necklace. And you can find a garnet. It is really tiny, but shining bright. Shining bright. And in the light, it is shining bright excellently. And here are the turquoise chips. And there are many quantities the large quantity turquoise chips. And the center here is a blue color turquoise piece as a jaw pendant. And the turquoise in this necklace, and they are three shapes. And you can call it green or blue color. And we use polishing technology, ring surface, and beads, and other mirror polishing. And we have close and long-term cooperative relationship with the stone factory and the silver factory, and which have many employees. And with a variety of international mining materials partners, has a long-term cooperative relationship, and the raw materials is stable. And you can feel be relaxed to deal with us. And we always provide our customer the best. Okay, I show you the details of this necklace. Then I try to wear it. Okay, and for this necklace, and I think it's also suitable for men and women. Okay, welcome you. And here like broadcast and all of you, and your live streaming will be. You have a good day. Okay, the next one. I want to show you is this necklace. And you can find this combined with the white sharp piece. And there are the two fusion. And here are the different size of the spiny oyster. And they are the red color spiny oyster. And in the center, here are the very large and rounded about 15 millimeter rounded gold pendant cost. And this necklace is also about 16 inches long. And I think it looks colorful. And because the gemstone beads are multi-color. And our products are in great demand, loved by customers. And our products receive highly favorable reviews all the time. Okay, and if you interest in our product, then please feel free to let us know. Also, you can communicate with our customer service agent. Okay, welcome you. Okay. And also, you can click our official website to know more about information of our companies and our products. Okay, and this necklace then also suitable for a man to woman. And if you wear it, also you can buy it as a present to your friends. And it is really amazing gemstone jewelry. Okay, and the last one, the last necklace, it is also, I think it's also the colorful gemstone necklace, and it's combined with the really tiny tube turquoise piece, and it is about 3 millimeter round. And here the white shell and a pink shell, also with the red color spiny oyster. Okay, welcome you. And you can find in the center here are two gold rotated coils, and also looks colorful. And our and we welcome for our company, we welcome our customer and partner to visit our company and maintain long-term, stable, and win-win strategy partnership in providing the best quality service to achieve customer satisfaction is our highest pursuit, and we look forward to working with you. Well, I wanted to come back to this necklace. I will to show you. Okay, and thank you for your watching, and hope you all have good day. And thank you so much. And that's all for today's new products I introduced to you. And please wait for a moment. Our host will come back to the live broadcast soon.